Hello and welcome to Lake City Live. After 10 days of thrilling competition featuring nearly 3,000 athletes from 74 Commonwealth nations and territories, the Commonwealth 2026 Games have drawn to a close in Glasgow, Scotland. This compact edition of the Games delivered record-breaking performances, inspiring stories, and unforgettable sporting moments. India finished fourth in the Glasgow 2026 Commonwealth Games with a total of 39 medals, 13 gold, 17 silver, and 9 bronze. The reduced medal tally reflected the format of the Games, which featured only 10 sports and excluded medal rich disciplines such as wrestling, shooting, badminton, hockey, and table tennis. Despite those absences, India maintained a top 4 finish, with more than 31% of its 122 members contingent winning medals. If one sport defined India's campaign, it was boxing. Indian boxers topped the medal table with a historic haul of 10 medals, including a record 7 golds and 3 silvers. Ankush Pangal and Sachin Sivach led the men's challenge, while Preeti Pawar, Jasmine Lamboria, Sakshi Chaudhary, Priya Ghangas, and Arundhati Chaudhary dominated the women's events. The performance established India as the most successful boxing nation at Glasgow 2026. The success extended beyond the boxing ring to the athletics arena, where Indian athletes delivered several landmark performances. Olympic champion Neeraj Chopra won silver in the men's javelin with a season-best throw of 85.83 meters, while Yashvir Singh secured bronze. Gulveer Singh became the first Indian track athlete to win 2 individual medals at a single Commonwealth Games, and Tejaswin Shankar earned India's first ever Commonwealth medal in the decathlon. Para-sprinter Mohammad Basil also impressed with silver in the men's T47 100 meters. Momentum continued in weightlifting and parasport. Olympic silver medalist Mirabai Chanu claimed her third successful Commonwealth Games gold, becoming only the second Indian to achieve the feat. The weightlifting team finished with 8 medals, maintaining its reputation as one of India's most consistent disciplines. The para contingent also scripted history by winning 7 medals, matching India's combining medal tally from all previous Commonwealth Games editions and signaling the steady rise of para sport in the country. As the Glasgow Games came to a close, attention shifted to the future. The Commonwealth Games Federation formally handed over the flag to Ahmedabad. With preparations for Ahmedabad 2030 now underway, the lessons and the successes of Glasgow are expected to shape the next chapter of the Indian sport. With new champions emerging, established stars delivering once again, and India preparing to host the 2030 Commonwealth Games in Ahmedabad, Glasgow 2026 has marked another important milestone in the nation's sporting journey. That's all in this special Commonwealth Games Bulletin. Thank you for watching.